All right, I've got an exercise for you to practice with, also a shortcut. Now, I'm not sure if this is Mac or PC only. I don't have a PC here to test it on, so leave a comment to let me know whether it works on PC. So I've got my Finder open here on my Mac, and I want to open up the project file, so class project 2. I'm going to select both of these, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start dragging, hold down Command Tab. Command Tab, if I just hold Command down and just cycle through all the open programs. Okay, and before I let go to Photoshop, I just kind of drag it into it and let go. Is that a shortcut? It is for me. Maybe it's not for anybody else. You can also do the same thing if I undo by dragging it down here, just dragging it down here into the dock and into the actual icon for Photoshop. That works as well. But I'm hoping this whole thing works for PC as well, because I know you can hold down maybe the control key and hit tab to do it. You'll have to help me out because I couldn't find it online. Anyway, we've got the things open. What I want you to do is mask using your channel mask. Amazing skills, mask this thing out and stick it in front of the sunflower. Okay, let's look at the requirements. Use those images, cut out we'll use the channel mask to get started, but you can use the selector mask and the brush tool. Remember we set it to overlay to kind of fix the edges. You'll have to adjust the levels of probably the grass or the background just to get them to look believable. And then take a screenshot and share it with me, either in the projects here or on social media, which is all at the top. Good luck, advanced Photoshop user. I will see you in the next video.